Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna walk you through what I did with this project. The aim of this project is to deploy deploy a model. Of course, you need to train it first, deploy a model, and then consume its endpoint, and we will see it within Swagger also. So, and then we're gonna be walking through the Jupyter notebook, which is aiming to do the same thing, but within the SDK. So let's begin. The first thing that you need to do within the portal is to go to automated ML and create an experiment. So I already did that, and you can see, as you can see here, it's already completed. And then you need just to go to the models and select the best model and deploy it. And once you do that, of course, you have to specify a name, and then you need to enable authentication to use the key data. So I'm not going to do it because I already did it. And then when you go to the endpoints, you're going to see the details of that endpoint of the or the deployed model. And what you need to do first is to copy paste the content of the swagger.json within the swagger.json in the starter files within the project. And then what you need to do next is to copy the REST endpoint from here to use it in the endpoint.py after that. And also go under consume and also copy the key, primary key or secondary key, it's the same thing. So, and then go to the notebooks. Under endpoint.py, you need to change this current URI and the key with the ones that I already showed you. I already did that, of course. And then you need to run the swagger.sh and the serve.py so you can visualize what you just did on Swagger. So if we want to see the deployed model under Swagger, we just need to tap localhost 9001, of course. This is within the Swagger, and then a redirection with this with 8000 localhost to see that I already have the deployed best model in here with all uh, its content. And once you have the Swagger UI, you can run the endpoint to see if of course, to see if the application or the deployment that you did works. Um, Through endpoint.py, you just need to run it to see if it's gonna work, and I already did it. So here you can see that the result is already yes, no, as expected. So this is the first part. The second part is consuming that pipeline um, through SDK. So what we did here is practically the same thing. I used the same experiment, the same cluster, and the same bank data set that I uploaded from the beginning. And then we need just to publish and run the endpoint. Here we just publishing the endpoint, and you can see in here it's still running. And if you want some details, you can go directly in here, or just this is the script run widget, which is still running, as I said. And then you can just click in here to see it directly within the portal. And if you go under experiments, you're gonna see that there is a bank marketing experiment was launched. Actually, it was already done. And then another one with the pipeline REST endpoint. And if you go to under pipelines, In here, you're gonna find two pipelines, one created earlier with bank marketing experiment and one created with pipeline REST endpoint, which we are still running in here. So I think this is all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.